Here we have a problem from June 2017. It is question 13, paper 3, Edexcel specification. We are given a diagram where 3 lines define a shaded region, and the question asks to write down the inequalities that define the shaded region. Now you can turn the video off, try to find yourself the solution, and then turn the video on and compare to my solution. Here is my solution to this problem. First of all, we're going to look at the shaded region and observe those 3 lines that are bordering the shaded region. The equation of those lines. Now, let's see how it goes. For the first one, we have here a parallel line to x-axis, situated at a distance of 2 units from the origin. So the equation of that line is y equals minus 2. For the second line, we have a line that goes through origin and through all the points where the x and y are equals. That means the equation of that line is y equals x. For the third line, we look for equation of the form y equals mx. Now, who is m? M is a gradient of that line. Who is c? It's the point where the line intersects y-axis, which is here very obvious. Okay. Now, how do you find the gradient? Well, I took here a point, I dropped the perpendicular, and then I took another point here. They make a triangle. So from this point of the x coordinate minus 2 to this point 2, the distance is 4. From here to this point, the height here is 2. Now we know the gradient is the rise over run. That means y over x. So in this case, we're going to have m equals a 2 over 4. Fine, we get m equals 1 over 2. Now for c, you can note that it's one distance from origin in positive direction, so c is 1. So we have the equation over the line. It's 1 over 2x plus 1. Now, another thing that we have to be careful when we write the inequalities, to look for the line. In some diagrams, we have dotted line. Here we have solid line. In the case they are solid, we are going to take not strict inequality. We are going to take also equality. That means greater or equal, less or equal. That's what we are going to have for all 3 lines that we have in our diagram. They are all solid lines, so that's what we're going to take less or equal, greater or equal. And the three lines inequalities that we are looking for, the inequalities that define our region are. Now let's see how we figure it out. So first we have the line y equals -2. The point in the region has all their y bigger than that. So obviously it's going to be y greater or equal than -2. For the second line, you see the points in the region are billions. The y of those points in the region are going to be, again, no, for the second line, it's above, excuse me. So second line above, I'm talking about second, not third, above. So the coordinate of those points will have greater or equal than this line. So greater or equal. For the third line, the points are situated below. So that's going to be less or equal than y. So this is the answer for the problem. Those two inequalities, y greater or equal than -2, y greater or equal than x, and for this third line, we have y less or equal than 1 over 2x plus 1. And this is all we have to do for 4 marks.